drop down in the basket. What are you doing? You need help? Yeah, be careful. Being silly.
Hey embracers, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new. In today's video I'm sharing with you some real life folding motivation. This is actually what happens when I'm folding clothes when I'm not recording. If you're here for laundry motivation, you can go ahead and set me up on your favorite device and let this video play out, and at the end of it, if you need more laundry motivation, I'll have a playlist linked. So once you hear me tell you thank you for spending this time with me, you can come back to your device, click on that playlist, and continue to enjoy laundry motivation by yours truly, Bevy. I find it so funny when I'm editing these videos and I see the things that go on in the house, and I'm laughing how every time they bring a baby back to me, he just goes back to finding them. If you're new here, my name is Bevy, and on my channel I share motherhood lifestyle content. I do have a household filled with men, and so I have a lot of laundry to do, so you'll find a bit of laundry motivation on my channel with a little bit of motherhood lifestyle vlogs sprinkled in here and there. You'll also find some grocery hauls and some cleaning motivation videos as well. So if you like that sort of content, I invite you to hit that red subscribe button and become an embracer today, and comment down below, let me know that you're new so I can welcome you to my little corner of YouTube. that is it. It's time for me to pack these away. If you're working alongside with me, we're almost done, so you can get over to your device and start the playlist now. If you're still here with me, thank you so much for spending 6 minutes of your life with me, and I'll see you right here in another couple days in a brand new video. Bye.